No. 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 There it goes. Now we're up. All right, let me turn this up. We got to turn this shit up, boys. Turn it up here. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. We are live. We are live. We're alive. Hey. Congratulations, everybody. Let's just give it a round of applause, everybody. We're here. We're alive. Another day, another dollar. And we're lucky to be where we're at. So here we are. We are ready. We are waiting. The market looking to open up here today. We had a lot of action yesterday. FOMC, a lot of fun stuff going on. So let's see what happens. Can you start the car up and rev it? Oh, man. I feel like it'll get really hot. It's going to get really hot really quick. So I might not do that. Maybe when the stream's over. Maybe when the stream is over. All right, so we are looking here at the NASDAQ. Good morning, good morning. Check this bad boy out. So right now, the NASDAQ, big move yesterday. Big move there. We popped up, we dropped, we popped, we dropped. So yeah, FOMC, you gotta look at this thing. Oh, buddy. Well, you just look at it. Anybody trade FOMC yesterday? What'd you guys trade? Get short. Oh my, look at that thing. What was that? A 300-point move up, 300-point move back down. Hey, I always choose violence, Bill. Come on. I wake up every morning ready to go. Ready to go, baby. If you're not waking up in the morning ready to fucking win, what are you even doing? That's the way I look at it. If you're not ready to die for it, what are you even ready to do? If you're not ready to die. All right, so we're just sitting back here. Voice is low. Fucking, what is this? I don't know what it's doing, why it's low. Let me check it again. Why is it low for? I don't really know why. Voice is low. It's all like cranked up. These motherfuckers. Crank it up. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic. Why is this? I don't get it. Sometimes. Sometimes, man. Let's try that one. Mic check. That one's better. That one's pretty good, right? I think that's about perfect. I think it's about perfect right there now. Perfect. I had to move my computer setup and everything into the garage, so it was a little had to kind of move some stuff around, but we are ready. We are waiting right now. The NASDAQ, a lot of volatility yesterday after the FOMC. A lot of stuff going on today. What do we got in terms of the news? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Looking at the QQQ right now, we did gap up a little bit, actually. A little bit of a gap to the upside here. So we have, well, I guess to the downside here. So we closed yesterday on the QQQ at the 421. So about a 4-point move, actually. So I would say actually a pretty decent gap to the downside there. Pretty decent gap to the downside. So we'll see if that's going to cause some issues for the market today. If we're going to fill that gap, let's get it going, baby. Market right now pulling back from the 600s down to the 560s. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Who's ready to party? Anybody? You guys come here to party? We're about to turn it up, so get ready to party, all right? If you ain't ready, then you just go somewhere else. I'm going to talk about some kind of a new schedule, some stuff I've been, just life-wise. Just been thinking about life-wise, like what I want to do here, streaming every day and all that. So I think going into the summertime, I'm going to be doing some more traveling, doing more just enjoying life. So I might be kind of doing more like special events, going live like certain times where we plan it out and kind of do it better. And I don't want to get burnt out, man. I don't want to be burnt out. You know, like when I go live, I want to be excited. I want to bring the energy. I want to get you guys pumped up. I don't want to be like going live and just being like, oh, I hate life. You know, like I want to be pumped about it. And I do feel like sometimes I do get a little burnt out going live every single day. It's a lot, especially when the market's not always good. You know, the worst is like you go live all week long and the market's like 2 or 3 days a shitty, choppy market, and you get frustrated. And I don't want to like bring that energy to the live stream. So I'm going to try to like find a happy medium between being happy, enjoying life, and then also live streaming. So we'll find a good spot. We'll find a good spot. I'm working on it. I got to figure it out. Don't blow it, baby. Don't blow it. I don't know if you guys heard the news. Probably did, but Apex is still 80% off. Apex is 80% off. The deal continues, baby. Hey, you can't complain. Now people are like, oh, they just continued the sale. But I'm like, hey, are you saving money? Are you saving money? Are you able to get funded in one day? Hey, don't complain, people. Just let it be. Let it be. I didn't know about the like the continuation of the sale, to be honest. Like they don't tell me until the sale, like the news comes out, like they don't tell me ahead of time by any means. So don't think that like I was hiding the info. Well, Patrick, you didn't tell us. Well, how am I supposed to know? It's not my company. I don't make the rules. I'm just a guy on YouTube trying to make a little bit of money. Also, big news today. I'm pretty excited. I'm picking up my new boat. 10:30. We got an actual fucking time. I was supposed to pick it up last Friday. But I wasn't able to because of some closing documents with the seller. The seller didn't sign the documents in time, so we weren't able to get it funded. But the good news is we got it funded, and I'm picking up the boat today. Actually, the name of the boat is actually Funded. It's kind of funny, actually. Funded. Yeah, what great name for a boat, Funded. If you remember my last boat name, well, I think this new name is even better. Obviously, my fishing team is still liquidated, but when it comes to the actual name of the boat. All right, so again, what do we got here? Look at this thing. I feel like this is just, ooh. You know what I didn't notice? Look at, oh, buddy. Do you see what I see? Who sees what I see? Who sees it? Let me zoom in a little more. Who sees it? If you don't see it in the chat, get the fuck out right now. If you do not see what is on this chart, you gotta go. You gotta get gone, because you ain't been watching. What do we see here? Oh, baby Jesus. Anybody? I can't read the chat. Where's the chat at? What do we got? Woo! Look at that gap. So we opened, I mean, it's a little gap, but it's still a gap, right? And we saw the other day, that Sunday open, when we had that little gap in the chart, what happened? We fucking filled that gap, boys. So I think it's almost like a sign from heaven above. A sign from heaven above. If we sell off here this morning, that's the fucking target right there. 83s. I mean, that's only 100-point downside. So, you know, I ain't hating on it. It doesn't mean I'm going to go all in short at open. But hey, if we lose that pivot point, if we look weak, I think that's a great target, right? Great target to fill. And then especially the close. We got the close from yesterday all the way down there at the 420s. So, I mean, that little gap is there, 480s. The close from yesterday, you got a lot of wicks down here on the bottom as well. A lot of wicks down there. You got a pivot point. I mean, it's set up. That is a setup right there, boys. So let's see what happens at open. Right now, this trend is clearly pointing up, but guess where we're at? We're kind of in the middle, almost the middle of that 640 area. Chad Cobra pointing that out. I like that. We pushed up so far to the 620s. Maybe we get one more rip. If you guys remember the other day, we had that ripper where we went straight up at open and then the market sold off. So let's be prepared for anything. But, you know, when you see something on the chart like that, you got to get excited. So I'm a little excited. I'm not going to get crazy now, but I do know that gaps love to get filled. You know, the gaps love to get filled. Woo, buddy. Woo, buddy. Do you guys see this? This shit is crazy. I wanted to talk about this really quickly. I thought this was, honestly, this is one of the best things that I've seen on the internet lately. And it's not even anything to do with the war or really anything. It's just the fact of like, so basically, you know, that stuff, like all the stuff is going on where, you know, the college kids are protesting on the colleges and, you know, just being crazy and like boarding themselves up into buildings and destroying property and all this stuff, right? This is not a political thing. It's just a fact of like, at the end of the day, the American flag, as much as like I can say I fucking hate Joe Biden, like the American flag is not the government. The American flag is the people. America was built by the people. America was not built by the government. So I can hate and I can say, hey, the president is a fucking moron, and I can still be like, I'm a fucking proud to be American, because at the end of the day, my forefathers, my great fucking grandpa, my great great grandpa fucking stormed the beaches of Normandy on D-Day. So I have pride in the fact that like there are men and women out there that have sacrificed their lives for our freedom, and the American flag always flies at the top. So anybody that wants to come to our fucking country and destroy a flag in any type of protest or bullshit, we ain't got no time for that. I don't care what your political beliefs are, but the American flag is a neutral fucking American status, right? That is the flag of the people. So hate America all you want, but come on, if you're gonna come to America, give some respect to the people that have put in the greatest. They took the greatest sacrifice. And I'm not trying to get all sentimental, but people put their lives on the line. Brave men and women went to fucking war, to battle, because they didn't do it for the fucking government. Remember, they didn't do it for the president. They did it for the people. People went to war to protect their brothers and sisters, their mothers and fathers. They did it for their families, the people. So again, the American flag is a status quo for the people. It is not a, oh, I hate Biden, I hate this. It's no, it doesn't matter. The American flag flies above the fucking White House. It flies above the White House. Joe Biden's down here. The American flag's up here, baby. It'll always be up there. So that's where we're going to keep it. But the story is very simple. These college kids basically defended the flag during this protest. They defended the flag. And now there's a $350,000 GoFundMe to throw them a rager. That's the best story ever. That is the best story ever. You know what I mean? That is the best story ever, man. They're gonna get him a rager. Victoria's like, well, maybe they would like the money. I'm like, babe, they college kids. They're gonna be fucking pumped. They're gonna get them a $350,000 rager. You know, they don't need no fucking. They don't need nobody. They need a rager. Give them boys a fucking keg party that they've never even imagined. You know, if I was a beer company right now, I'd be hitting them boys up and being like, we'll give you all the beer you want for the rest of this fucking year. You know, let's go. What does throw a rager mean? Basically a huge ass party. Mr. Trav, who cares? Hey, I got no time for it. You don't like it, get the fuck out. Who wants it? Who else wants it? People think that I am here to be somebody's servant or someone's bitch. I'm not. If you don't like it, get the fuck out. That's all. I do not give a fuck. I've banned more people from this stream than some people have them watching. It's okay with me. I'm fine with that. That's what I'm gonna keep doing. I'm gonna keep living my life the way that I'm living it, and I ain't ever gonna change. All right. So there it is. There it is. Let's go. Jake Scott, what's up? We're here. We're live. All right. I had a pretty good little spat this morning as well with that guy Riz from the fucking. This is my favorite, actually. I think it's my favorite this morning when I did this. This guy was talking shit, and I just said, "Sit down, boy," and then he deleted the post. Hey, don't come at me. Don't come at me. I'll get you every time. People think I give a fuck. Don't give a fuck. You sound like ICT. What are you talking about? ICT, you're crazy. All right, so going into open right now, 15-minute chart. We've pushed back up into kind of that middle of that big move after the FOMC. Maybe a little bit more to the upside, maybe. But, yeah. See what happens. I mean, Riz is a little bitch, like a little fucking kid. Like his whole entire podcast is nothing but scammers, you know. So come on, Lambo Raul, you're gonna tell me that like the best is like no? How do you can't prove they're scammers? Lambo Raul, his name is Lambo Raul. Like, could you have made it any more easy to know that he's a scammer? Could you have made it any easier? Like, wait a second, your name's what? Wait, you're telling me your name's Lambo Raul? Okay, yeah, no, that check. Definitely the scammer. Yeah, he was buying EA accounts for like $100 and then reselling them for 3,000 or some shit. Like a trade EA programs for like getting funded. The funniest shit. Like people literally found he was selling the same exact like trading program that other people were selling for like $100, but he was selling it for like 3,000 or some shit. Fucking, I mean, I'm not, hey, you know, I'm not it. I like this is like people also, I posted about Tori Trades because she said Tori Trades says that she's never blown an account. And I don't care who the fuck you are. I literally don't. Like, it's such bullshit. We know that she's done it. Because one, how do we know it? How do we know that she's blown an account? Because remember when she traded corn? Oh yeah, she tried to trade through a prop firm and then traded corn on her first day and then blew up the account. She literally posted a video about it. Like, oh guys, I've never blown an account. But oh yeah, that one time I traded corn and I blew the account. It was an accident. I didn't really, you know, it wasn't like, you know, come on. Like, come on, people. Like anybody, this guy, why don't you believe it's possible that Tori Trades has never blown an account? You know why I believe it's not possible? Because I've been trading for 10 years now, and I know when something's not possible. You know, that's the truth. That's the truth. Right now on the NASDAQ, 15-minute chart, we had the high yesterday, FOMC, 17,790. I'm leaning towards this idea happening, right? This very simple idea, you know? I'm leaning towards this gap fill potential. I'm not going to tell you it's going to happen right away. We might get some choppy, stupid action, but that gap fill is down there. It's on the, you know, it's obvious. Sometimes it's a little too obvious, but it's there, ready to happen. You know, just ready, waiting for us. What do we got in terms of numbers? We got 945 numbers today. Total vehicle sales. Who the fuck? Factory orders. That's a night. Wait, that's 9:45. Yeah, no, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Sorry, 10 o'clock numbers. Who the fuck cares about vehicle sales? I don't give a fuck. Ooh. All right. Welcome. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do, baby. Ooh. What do you guys think about the new background? It's pretty sick, huh? People are like, oh. I think if I try to open the door right now, the alarm would go off. Pretty nice though. I like it. I went to the Mclaren. McLaren had an event last night for Formula One. It was an invite only. You had to be somebody. But I went to the McLaren event last night. It was pretty funny. I hate, you know, I really do hate how all these car companies nowadays are basically, everything's like electric. Who the fuck wants an electric supercar? I don't. I'm rich because I have money and I want to see the money getting burnt. I want to hear the gas burning the dollar bills. It's like sizzling, you know. I want to hear the sizzle of the dollar bills going out the exhaust pipe because it's not the same. Like having a car like this, if I pull up to somewhere and this fucker's electric and I pull up and it's like wee wee, you know, like a little electric sound. Like who the fuck wants to hear that? Ain't no girl getting excited about no electric car. Come on. We gotta stop this bullshit. Down with the electric, up with the fucking petrol, baby. Bigger motors, bigger power, less gas mileage. America, baby. Patrick Wieland. But honestly, though, the whole electric thing is bullshit. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. Who the fuck wants to drive an electric car? Have you driven an electric car? Terrible. It's like driving like a little like even a Tesla. I can't do it. I don't like it. I ain't about it. I want to hear the motor. I want to hear the purr. I want to hear the shaking. You know? The funny part is I barely drive either. You love your Tesla. I guarantee that if you had a fucking McLaren, you would be like, yeah, fuck the Tesla. I've driven Teslas. Yeah, trust me. I know what they feel like. I don't like it. It's like a little, like, it's like a video game. I want to feel it. I want to feel the power, man. Why the fuck would I want to pay $300,000 for an electric car? You know? Patrick, I love you, man. Keem's dreams. Oh, dude, I love you too, bro. All right, so we're hitting our trend line right now here on the 15-minute chart. We got some support here from earlier, this resistance from the overnight. We popped up there, the London high. We popped up through that already. I think we're coming down. We're coming down here. I don't want to say it, but that's what I'm looking at here, boys. The dollar's kind of like primed up right now. The dollar is kind of sitting there like maybe the dollar wants to break out. It's like at the high of the range right now as well. So kind of a bad sign. So we'll see. Yeah, Sean, I sent you your fucking magic 8-ball, dude. You'll be able to have it and play with it all you want. Sean Griffin, he wants that magic 8-ball. I'm sending it to him. He can ask it every morning when he wakes up what he should do. Teslas are super fast. I don't care. Guys, it's not about, like, at the end of the day, the speed limit is 70 miles an hour. Like, even in the McLaren, like, I can't go super fast. So who the fuck cares? Like, oh, my car's super fast. Like, well, yeah, but it don't matter. Like, just because your electric car is fast, like, it's still electric. Like, nobody fucking sees your electric car and is like, oh, it's so badass, man. Like, what superhero drives an electric car? Nobody. I don't know. Maybe there is, actually. Do-do-do-do-do. Elon Musk don't drive an electric car. Someone drives him around. He got a spaceship. Batman had an electric car? No, I think it was like no, I think what was it? It was like nuclear powered. He had nuclear power car, didn't he? I think Batman's car was nuclear. Ooh. This new chair that I got, I don't know about this new chair, to be honest. I'm trying to figure it out. It's a new chair. Spent $1,500 on this new fucking chair. Look at this thing. Steel case. Ooh, it's the same color as the McLaren, baby. Look at that. It's called swag. Swag, baby, swag. Turbine. Yeah, he had a turbine. It wasn't electric. Batman didn't have no electric car. What the fuck? What are y'all talking about? Wee. How much did the McLaren cost? $234,000. Cash money, baby. Cash money, McLaren. I'll sell it to you for $240,000. $6,000 profit. I'll take it. Who wants it? Come and get it. Cash money only, baby. Why not get a Herman Miller mess chair? I mean, this is kind of like a nice chair, though. I like this chair. What's wrong with this chair? How much horsepower? What, 600? It's a 600 LT. It's a 600 LT, so I think it's got 600 horsepower. I think that's how McLaren does the names. Whee! Whee! When I get bored in the middle of the trade, I'm gonna come over here and just get a little bike in action and real quick, you know? When I'm in the middle of the trade, I just want to get a workout real quick. Couple miles on the bike real quick. We're good, baby. We're good. All right, right now the NASDAQ holding up here at that 17,570. The McLaren is a 600 LT. 600 LT. I don't like the new Arturo though. They've got a lot of issues with it. The whole electric car, it's like a hybrid. Why has everything got to be hybrid? Just give me the fucking, I want the V16, baby. Give me the V12. Give me the fucking power. I want to press the gas pedal and see the gas gauge move. If the gas gauge ain't moving when I'm flooring it, I don't want it. I have a truck with 40-inch tires on it. You think I'm worried about gas mileage? Come on. Formula 1 is hybrid. Yeah, but I mean, that's like totally different. I mean, you can't like, that's a totally different discussion. A Formula 1 car, you know, it's like just different. How's Victoria? Thanks for asking. She's great. She went with me last night to the Mclaren event. She's doing perfectly fine. All right, so right now the Nasdaq holding up here at this key level. I think pretty much what I would like to see here is us to get below this pivot point. If I'm looking to get short here at open, I basically want to see us lose this pivot point support, and then, you know, there's 30-40 points down into here, and then if we want to get real crazy, we go all the way down there to the close from yesterday, 430, 400 level, depending on the action. So let's see what happens. If you look on the QQQ here as well, we got that pivot, not pivot point right there, 424, but that gap. So we closed yesterday. Remember, we closed yesterday down here on the QQQ. So that leaves us with a big old gap for that price action here. So that's my technical analysis for you. We got numbers coming out 10 o'clock, right? 6 minutes till market opens. Florida doesn't require inspection, straight pipe it. Yeah, I don't know. You start like, it costs once you start fucking around with the McLarens and the engines and stuff, then I think it's hard. Because right now, the McLaren is like perfect. You know, it's like perfect condition. And I feel like if I start customizing it, then it's gonna like hurt the value of it in the long run. I feel like it's only got 6,000 miles on it, you know? And I got a year on the warranty as well, so. I'll start the engine at the end of the stream. If you stick around to the end of the stream, I'll start the engine up. It's not that, it doesn't actually sound that good when you first start it up. It takes a while to like warm up and get it going, you know? It's already loud as fuck, so I don't really think it needs exhaust. I agree, buyers and collectors want originals. Mine's like, my car is literally mint condition. The guy who bought it before me kept it in his garage, never drove it. It's got PPF on it. It's like literally mint. Like just right off the fucking showroom floor, baby. Woo, baby. All right, so look at that, NASDAQ finding support. They're at our trend line for now. 15-minute chart, pushing back up here. We got 4.5 minutes till the market opens. How much is an oil change? 6,000 miles on a supercar is not a little. Picasso, you get the fuck out of here. The fuck you go? Get the fuck out of here. The fuck you talking about? These motherfuckers, man. Why do you always gotta talk shit? Like, why? What do you even know? What do you even know about supercars, motherfucker? Nothing. You don't know nothing. What do you fucking know? Nothing. The fuck out of here. But Patrick, 6,000 miles. Yeah, the fuck. No, it's not. Not for a 2019, motherfucker. 2019, motherfucker. Like, look at these other ones that are for sale. 2020s with 30,000. You know, fucking this one's. I looked at that one. It's too fucking customized. This also, my car was a one car owner. All right. But if you look at like the fucking, like look at the 570S's. Or, yeah. Like, look at the 570s on those things. Yeah, like the fucking, well, the 600 always is better. But like all the 570s have like fucking 20,000 miles, 30,000 miles, 20,000 miles. Like 30,000 miles is a lot on a supercar. So yeah, like there's a big difference between a $6,000. I mean, this one right here has 36,000 miles. I mean, yeah, 6,000 miles for a 2019 is pretty fucking good. And it's a one owner car. One owner. Come on. Market is opening 3 minutes, baby. We are ready. Just sitting back here waiting and watching. I like to see a trap here either way. You know, there, I would say there's this level kind of, you know, up there, 640 area. That would make sense for kind of a pushback to retest that, the middle of that big FOMC drop. But we do have that big old gap in the chart, you know? So. I couldn't even sleep last night. I was so excited. I was so excited for today because I'm getting my new boat, baby. The new boat, 10:30. We're picking that motherfucker up, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sit on the boat all day long and just be like, just love it, baby. Just love it. All right. We got the market getting ready for open here. Who wants to party? It's time. If you ain't here to party, I mean, what are you here for? What's the goal? Get on the level, baby. I want to see what this move does at open. Patience, my friends, patience. You want to make money in this market? You got to know when to hold them and you got to know when to fold them. And I think right now, let's just be patient. We got a great setup here. We got an idea. We got something to look for. So let's stick to the plan. Very simple. You know? Don't you guys agree? I feel like that's a good plan. It's a good plan, right? Stick to the plan. Simple, easy. Don't overcomplicate this shit. People always ask me, Patrick, what's the one piece of advice you can give me about trading? I'm like, well, just don't make it too hard, man. Don't make it too hard, you know? That's all it comes down to. If you're looking at a setup, and you don't know what to do, you don't see the setup, well, that probably means there isn't a setup. So that's the whole purpose here, you know? Like I want that move to look obvious, you know? I want to be like, damn, look at that. That's a perfect short. That's a perfect short, baby. Make it perfect for me. Here we go. 6 seconds. Market about to open. Let's see how we ride. We got a pivot point down there at the 544s. Going straight up for now. Oh, I'm looking. Ooh. Give us some time, boys. Market just opened, but look at that trap. We lose this support down here at the 62s. It's downside party town, so watch it. Whew. If this thing just starts fucking waterfalling straight down, talk about the trap. Oh my God, well, you just look at it. How's the trap so real? How's the trap so real? You and me see those reasons so you can see. If we get this gap fill, I'm turning it off. I'm walking out of here, baby. Look at this thing. Oh my, from the 600s. Oh, look at it. Would you just look at it? Let's go. Get ready, boys. Woo. Down there to the 60s now. We wiped that 60 support. We're going down. baby, where you truly love. Ooh, yeah. Sitting there at the 60s for now. Whoa, whoa. All right, waiting to see. Let's get through this area. Let's get that resistance to pop up there. Let's sow the. I want to see that resistance kicking in there. Maybe like 570 level. See what happens there. All right, I'm gonna try this short here off that 570 level for now. Stop right above 74s. I might get stopped out quickly, but we can always jump back in. Stopped out for now. Just didn't want to sell down there. Should have been a little bit more patient. I wanted that 750 just to sell. We were up about 1,500 bucks there for a second. That 70 area is going to be the sell. It's going to be the sell here. Watch it. The Dow is dumping. The Nasdaq's just chopping here at 70s. Looking for this move through the 60s there next. If we can just get that move straight down, be looking to target that pivot point down there. 43s, baby. All right, we're trying to get this push. Give me that 40 area. Give me that 40 area, baby. Like I said, that 70 area giving us the short down there to the 40s now, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I hit it again. Like I said, I was going to hit that fucker one more time there. From the 60s down there to the 43s. Shoop. Shoop. $30 points from the 70s. I was a little too tight on that stop. I got stopped out at literally 74. Whatever. There she goes. Down to the pivot, now to the 40s. Let's go, boys. Woo! Woo! It's still going. Bro, come on. Did I not just tell you that 70 was going to be the short? Did I not just tell you that 70 right there was going to be the short? Come on. Let's go, boys. 40 points from the 70s now. Ain't nobody doing it like this live on YouTube. You guys already hit that like button. Hit that like button, baby. We got more action coming up here. Down there to the pivot. Look at it, still going. Are we getting the gap fill all the way? Remember, we talked about that gap fill potential down there to the 490s. Oh, buddy. Jim, baby. Woo! Look at this thing. Oh, my. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, Kev took the short without a stop, grabbed 30 points. Hey, if you're making money today, hit that like button. Let's go. We get 500 likes. I'll throw someone a couple $100 from PayPal. Who wants it? 500 likes on the stream, $500 giveaway just for fun. Just because I want to support the people that support me. And if I had faith with you. Shorted at the 70s. Let's go. I mean, that was, whew. Come on. Was that 70 level not just on the dot there? On the dot, boys. That's how we do it right here, every day live. That's how we do it. Hey, only prop firms, refresh the fucking stream, dude. I think only prop firms forgot to refresh the stream. It's his first time. He's still new to the game. Don't worry. Don't get mad at him. All right, we're down there below the pivot now. We still got more room to push down for that gap fill. Question is, how much are we going to push back up here now? We got 10 o'clock numbers as well. So that pivot point right now acting as resistance there, the 40s. Skip. You. Oh, dollar's breaking out while the Nasdaq's pushing back up here. We got the 15-minute breakout coming up, baby. All right, so the first person who posts their PayPal email in the chat, $500 if you want it. Let me know. All right, I'm gonna try some shorts, try to add some shorts here on this push back up. See if we get this move down. It's looking good from the 40s now, already back to the 30s. Should have added more there. Damn it. Lulu lately is the winner, by the way. Econ Blue. I couldn't find that. Lulu lately, I don't find the Econ Blue on PayPal. She's still going downtown. Let's see if we can get through this low here. See what happens down there for now, but get through that 510 area. See if we can get it. In my mind, everything is always in the eyes of my life. Getting out for small profit there on that little pushback up for now. See if this is going to chop around some more. We got news coming out here in a little bit, so it's all right. Now it's, ooh. Econ Blue, yeah, it's not coming up. Lulu lately? Econ Blue. I'll search for it. Econ Blue on PayPal, nothing. I don't know. Yeah, Lulu, just send me an email. Patrick@marketflowtrader.com and I'll get you the 500 bucks. Why do I trade the NASDAQ over the SPX? Because I like to fucking party, baby. And there's a McLaren behind me. I mean, is that even a question? Look at it. Would you just look at it? Look, it's just there. It's just sitting there looking at us. That's why. I drive a McLaren. You think I'm going to trade the SPX? Come on. McLaren drivers trade the NASDAQ. Woo. All right, NASDAQ, little push back up. The Dow really went low, low, low. The ES is trying to hold on here. We got the 15-minute range about to close. This is actually setting up beautifully for the 15-minute range setup here. All right, so we got our low obviously down there, 15-minute candle. You never know, we could always push back up. That's also a play here. But as of right now, that's our 15-minute candle. We still got that gap to fill on the QQQ. And yeah, I think we're looking good to get denied here at this pivot. As long as we stay, basically, if we stay below this, I think, what, 60 area, we're primed to move down there. Is the McLaren a business expense? Hey, you know, I can't give away all my secrets, but maybe. The Dow is still dumping. The NASDAQ is stuck right here at this pivot. What is going to happen? I mean, I think we're going to just get stuck here and keep on heading lower. Right? I'm going to grab 5 short right here. Right? I'm going to try this 5 short and just kind of keep this stop up there at the 60s for now. Not my normal type of setup, but I feel like the setup with the pivot points and everything lining up there is pretty good. So just 5 contracts short. Can always add into it if I think it's got the potential, but just in case this wants to like chop back up, do a little entertainment trade here. And this is why I went in with smaller size. Literally right there. Should not have taken that trade. Oh God. Let's move this up to right here. Let's move a little higher. They're watching me. Little 5-minute fair value gap there. I see that. Oh God. I'm gonna move my stop up a little higher, just to the 70s for now. It's only 5 contracts. I'm not full size yet. Get this back below my entry here. Get it back below my entry. I mean, tell me this don't look bearish. Tell me this don't look bearish. Tell me this don't look bearish. Woo! It's going back down, boys. The dollar's making a new high. The NASDAQ, the ES, we're going lower, baby. We're going lower. Get through this 30 level. We're taking out the 500s there next. The ES just made a new low. NASDAQ. Oh, buddy. Oh! It's working! It's working! I'm gonna take off 3 right there. Just lock that in. Leave 2 runners on here in this account. Profit is profit. Put my stop to break even here. Just to make sure we lock in that profit, boys. We do have some news coming out here at 10. So maybe some choppy action until then. But I'll be looking. I want to see that break below 500s here, baby. Where are the haters at now? Where'd they all go? But Patrick, why would you short? Why would you short there, Patrick? You're the worst trader on the internet. Look at this thing, boys. I'm gonna lock in 1 more right there. Woo! Woo! I'm looking for the next one. We'll go like, we'll let this fucking next contract ride, baby. We're gonna let it ride. Break even. I want to see how low we can go. Let's see if we can get that gap fill all the fucking way. Like we talked about earlier. Let's get that gap fill all the fucking way, boys, down there to the 480s. But, can I be your mentor? I don't need to be your fucking mentor. Just fucking show up every day. Become a man. Stop being a little bitch. You don't need a mentor. You need to stop being a bitch. This whole fucking like mentor thing. I'm a man. Like, who the fuck needs a mentor? Like, just fucking figure this shit out. Stop being little bitches. Patrick, I need a mentor. You don't need a mentor. You gotta stop being a bitch. That's your problem. You're just a bitch. Everything in life. I guarantee people that want mentors are just bitches and everything. Alpha fucking males don't wake up in the morning and go, all right, today I need to find a mentor so that I can learn how to make money. I need to find a mentor. No, they fucking make the money. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Are you not impressed? Take my hands. Ah! Oh, I just fucking love it. You know what I love more than anything? Waking up in the morning and pissing excellence. Knowing that there's thousands of people out there hoping, praying, watching, just wanting me to fail, wanting Patrick Wieland to give up, wanting Patrick Wieland to lose. They want it more than they think they want it. But guess what? I want to win more than they want me to lose, baby. I want to win more than they want me to lose. So I'm going to keep on fucking winning. After this stream, guess what? I'm going to go get my $500,000 boat. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to be like, oh, who's the loser? Who's the loser now? Who's the loser now? I mean, honestly, this setup today, I don't think it could have been any better. Like, I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, I don't know how it could have been better. I don't know how it could have been better. I think we're just this fucking chop before these numbers come out here, but we're already locked in. Profit, baby. Profit. I still got 1 contract short from the 33s. I probably should have taken those 87s, but I kind of got a little excited. You know, I got a little excited. But I think we're, you know, if this continues the way it's going, I don't see how we don't get down there to yesterday's lows, you know. You know what I mean? San Francisco made money today because of you. You don't need to be negative. Don't you think it'll impact your state of mind? Nah, I fucking feed off this shit, man. I wake up in the morning excited to prove people wrong. Just my existence on this planet just pisses people off. I love it. Give it to me, baby. I thrive in it. All right, I'm still short. I'm gonna let this one ride. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I think it was, other than that stupid little bullshit that it did right there on that for a second, I think it was a pretty fucking solid trade, boys. Dylan took 10 short from 545. This motherfucker. God damn. God damn, Dylan. You crazy, dog. Hey, when I tell people this is not financial advice, I mean it. People, don't listen to me. Look at me, I'm an idiot. I don't have any idea what's going on. I don't know how to fucking trade. Are you kidding me? I just get lucky sometimes. Oh, buddy. Do I lock? What? All right, chat. Let me know. What do I do? What do we do, chat? Do we lock it in? Lock it or pop it? What we got? Let me know in the chat. Whatever the poll says is what I'll do. Do I lock it in here or do I fucking look at my chat trying to be all like smart and stuff? All right, you guys are telling me to lock it in, so I'm gonna lock it in. 800 bucks on that last contract. The chat wins. The chat wins. All right, let's see what happens here next. We got numbers. We still got the, well, I guess we did break the, did we break the 15-minute range? Oh, guess what happened? I was so excited. That's what's so funny about the 15-minute range. Sometimes you just kind of forget that it's even there, to be honest. Like, you know it's there, but then sometimes you kind of forget. Look at that 15-minute range break. Whee! Brian D, I love your attitude. It's refreshing. Remember, Brian, there's a reason that the world is going the way that it's going, right? The governments, the people that run the shit, they don't want people to have confidence. They don't want people to feel like they don't need the government. They don't want people to have fucking their own thoughts. They don't want people to have their own opinions. They want a fucking society of people who pay their taxes, don't ask questions, take the fucking vaccines, and then just fucking vote for whoever they tell them to vote for. I don't care what anyone says. That is, if I had a corporate, like, think about it. If I had a country and I wanted to run the country and control the country, I don't want a bunch of fucking badass motherfuckers like Patrick Wieland existing in the world. I want a bunch of fucking losers that I can control. Patrick is the fucking problem. They don't want me to win. They want me to lose. Hey, if I ever get murdered or disappear, you know it's because of the people out there trying to take me out, man. Trying to take me out, man. Puppets. Puppets, baby. I ain't no fucking puppet. They tried to take me down. They tried so many times. But I keep getting back up like a fucking phoenix. Phoenix. All right, we're waiting to see what happens here with these numbers. Numbers in 4 minutes here. 4 minutes till the numbers. And then I'm going to pick up my brand new boat. I'm picking up my brand new boat. Picking up my brand new boat. My brand new boat. My brand new boat. Melissa, $500. You know what? I'm fucking feeling good today, boys. I'm feeling real good. You know how good I'm feeling about this? You know how good I'm feeling about this? I'm sending Melissa $1,000. Melissa, get ready. $1,000 just for always supporting the stream. Lulu, Melissa, she's always here helping the stream. She's a part of the fam. We're winning together. And there you go. $1,000. Dinner is on me, baby. Dinner is on me tonight. Fuck it, I don't care. It's everybody's happy. Congratulations. Lulu, $1,000. I'm trying to see who else is in the chat that I like. Who else should I give $1,000 to? I want to give one more $1,000 to somebody else. Who wants it? Somebody put their PayPal thing in there. I got to see if you're cool or not. Desmond, you're pretty cool. I like that. I like Desmond. Desmond's always here. All right, $1,000 for Desmond as well. Dabbed Intruder. It doesn't work on PayPal. Send me an email, Desmond. For some reason, the names on PayPal don't work. I don't know why. It's really annoying. $1,000. Make you hollers. Wait, is Desmond not a subscriber? I didn't even look. Desmond, you don't subscribe? Oh, he's not a member. He's a subscriber, but it's not a member. It's all good. Hey, I don't tell people. You don't have to be a member. It's all good. Send me an email, Desmond. Send it right now so I can do this live on YouTube so the world can see. Patrick@marketflowtrader.com. Go, go, go. Hurry. I just want to point out something as well, just by the way, right? I get a lot. I get emails every single day from Forex funding companies. Forex funding companies every fucking day. I get literally like crazy offers. So for example, you know, with, oh my God, the NASDAQ's moving down here. We got news coming out, 10 o'clock news. Got 20 seconds till the news drops here. Get ready, people. Get ready. There's the news. Oh, buddy. Do we make a new low here? I think so. Oh, she's looking like she wants to go. There's the new low. There's the new low. Bounce off the 80s. Everything is bear flag right now. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything is bear flagged out right now. So this thing wants just to go, go, go. Down there to the 70s now, 73s. Boom, baby. Locked in some more profit here. Shorting from the 85 for that new low break down there to the 70s. I'll take it. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, $1,200. It's still going. It's still going, boys. God. How can one man... That's how many trades is that now, boys? How many trades is that to go today? Woo! Are you fucking kidding me? Look at it. Would you just look at it? Ugh. Alchemist, I sent you $100 for your birthday. Hopefully this is your actual PayPal account. So it's someone's getting $100, whoever has that name in the chat. And I'm gonna send Desmond $1,000 right here. Desmond, let's go. I got your email. $1,000 from my boy. Hey, when you support Patrick Wieland, I support you, people. Look at this. How many trades did I give you today? I couldn't make it any easier. Come on. Look at this thing right now. Desmond, my boy. You know what? Fuck it. Desmond, $2,000. Don't fucking blow it all in one place. Do something. Pay a bill. Fucking change. Help yourself out. Pay your insurance for the year. Pay your rent. Do something sick, my friend. Let's go. For the man, the myth, the legend, Desmond, $2,000 fucking dollars. This recipient, oh fuck. Desmond, what did you do? Fuck. PayPal. This recipient is currently unavailable to receive money. Fuck, Desmond, dude, your PayPal account got banned. Oh fuck. That sucks. I'll figure out a way to get you 2,000. Hit me up in the email. We'll figure out a way to get you the money. I got you, Desmond. I'll get you. We're gonna get it figured out. Oh man. I can't give everybody money, you know. Just keep coming to the live streams. Guys, let's just go over this really quickly. Let's just talk about it one more time here. What do we say? You know, if we break below this low, we're gonna look for that short at open. Look at, the trap, it was all there. The whole entire setup was there. We trapped it open, we sold down. There's your first trade of the day from the 78s, right down there to that pivot point. And then look at this, another trade. Another beautiful trade. Another beautiful trade. Actually, the beautiful trade was from here, sorry, from the 70s. This area, look at this, from the 70s, now down there to the 440s. That's over 100 points. I don't need to give you money. Think about that. You know what I mean? I don't need to give you money. I'm giving you money every day live on YouTube. I literally am giving you free money. You know what I mean? I'm giving you free money, man. Free money to everybody. Look at this. We talked about the gap fill on the QQQ. The gaps love to get filled. Look at that. The gap got filled, baby. The gap got filled. Look at that. Come on. You know? We did it, baby. Alchemist gave him $100. Congratulations, your son's birthday. Get him a fucking something cool. I don't know. Get him something cool to get. The problem is, guys, I can't just give every single person in the chat money because I would be poor then. I'm not that rich. If I was a billionaire, I'm only a multi-millionaire. So I can't be giving away, everything. But I will try to give you guys ideas on how, look at this thing. NASDAQ still making new lows. You know? Come on. How many trades did we have today? Look at this 1 minute chart. How beautiful did it play out? Even if you didn't take that first trade of the day, look at the 15-minute range, boys. Look at this thing. Come on. Come on. ICT, fucking guys, there is no strategy on the entire fucking internet that works 100% of the time. But I will tell you that when it comes to gap fills, when it comes to the 15-minute opening range, this is the kind of shit that we are looking. It just makes it easy. Look at this thing. Come on. It hurts me. It literally hurts me on the inside. Like, people in the chat are like, Patrick, I'm broke. I need money. Like, guys, like, look at this. Are you looking at it? Look, I mean, just look at it. Come on. I mean, come on, man. Look at, would you just look at it? You know what I mean? Just look, like, literally look at that shit. Even if you got rid of every indicator, you know, get rid of every single indicator out there. Just get rid of all of them. No pivot points, nothing. I mean, the 15, you don't need to pay for a pivot. You don't need nothing. 15-minute, man. 15-minute chart. Look at that thing. Come on. I mean, fuck. Like, it hurts me. I'm literally sitting here and I'm like frustrated because people watch the stream and they're like, Patrick, I need money to pay my rent. And I'm like, come, like, look at this. Look at this. I mean, come on. Look at that. I mean, I don't know, man. It's still going. It's still, I mean, it's still just going. It's lit. I mean, God. I don't know. Look at that. Look at this. Look where we're at right now. Come on. Come on. You know what I mean? Like, look at this thing. Fucking look. I mean, it's still going. We did it, boys. We followed the plan. We executed. Look at it. It's still going. The best part is, look at it's still. I don't even need to do anything now. It's still going. The chat told me to cover earlier. You guys fucked me, by the way. Look. Oh my God. Y'all know you told me to cover, right? Like, I just want to put that out there. The chat told me to cover, by the way. You know, just putting that out there. Look at my last cover was at the 97s. Now we're 100 points lower. Damn it, chat. You guys fucked me. You guys fucked me. And this is why I don't listen to the chat. I love you guys, I really do, but there's a reason I don't listen to you guys. You know what I mean? Like, there's a reason that I don't listen to you. So, I love you guys, but there's a reason that I don't. And the funny part was, I would have had my stop right below my entry there, and I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, so. It was only one contract, so it would have been, what, like 2 or 3 grand, but either way. This is why I try to not consult the chat when it comes to me placing trades, because, yeah, not the best business plan. So, fuck, man. I'm just impressed. Honestly, I'm like, I might not have made $1 million a day, but there's 2,000 people watching this stream. And if you had any type of fucking brain cells and you're not a total fucking moron that believes that, you know, Michael Huddleston, ICT, is the goddamn best trader in the world. Like, if you have just enough brain cells to understand that he obviously is, like, he's Santa Claus, basically, you know, then you basically, you would have made money today, you know. You know, you should have a side funded account where you do full port Friday and go max contracts. Or I should just fucking not do that. You know, I don't know. It just seems a little funny. On the day, like 12 grand. Not even the biggest day to profit, to be honest. But again, you know, I need to work on myself. I need to work on my own. Like, this is all experience even for me, right? Like, this today is another like great experience maker of basically forcing me, not forcing me, but like I need to fucking like, if I see the setup that we had today, like if we see that fucking setup and we see what's going on with that, remember I talked about this earlier. I was like, man, look at that gap there. That gap looks so fucking tasty. Well, look where we stopped at. It wasn't a coincidence that we bounced right there. Like, that shit was just fucking primed and ready to fill, boys. We knew that shit was gonna happen. You know, I just gotta have a little bit more patience, a little bit more belief on a setup like that, because that setup right there is so fucking crisp, so clean. And it was so great too, because it pushed up all night. You know, it pushed up all night, and then guess what? Right it open, boom, filled the fucking gap. So that's what we need to be getting. And we did it. So I told you guys I would start the car up. Let's start the car. I don't know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be really loud. Well, I don't know what it's gonna actually sound like. Let's see. It's mine. It's my life. It's now or never. Oh god. Oh fuck. It's always scary opening the door. It's always scary opening the door because I'm always afraid it's gonna hit something up top. Let's do like a little, I need to turn this a little bit. The car! I guess I could turn this on too. Did you just have the light here? Where's my fan at? Where's my remote at? Where's the thing at? Where's the remote? What the fuck? Where's the fucking remote? What the fuck? Woo! All right, there we go. It's really hard to get into. It's fucking hard to get into. Ugh. Fireworks out the back, boys. Twin turbos, baby. That's what the key looks like. A little Mclaren key. The keys are fucking terrible, actually, because they always have problems. People think that, like, the other day somebody was talking shit because they're like, oh, you got a McLaren? They always have problems. Like, yeah, we know. When you buy a McLaren, you know they're gonna have problems. That's the point of the car. It's like, you're basically knowing that, oh, I'm buying a car knowing that it's a supercar and it's gonna have problems. That's what happens. When you're rich, like, this is not a normal, I'm not driving this car every day, so I don't care if it's fucking reliable, you know? I should probably open the fucking, the garage door now. Oh God, I'm dying. All right, I'm gonna go get my new boat. So I'm gonna go get the new boat, and I'll talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. Big thank you guys for tuning in. I don't know if I'm gonna be live tomorrow, to be honest. Like, I honestly, like, I don't know. I might be live, I might not. Because that's what happens. When you're your own boss, you do whatever the fuck you want. And guess what? I am my own motherfucking boss. If you guys want to learn more, right now, Apex, 80% off. Check out onlyprofirms.com. We got all the good stuff going on over there. And again, you guys got a lot of choices. I know you can go other places, but why would you go anywhere else on the internet when you know that you can just tune in right here and see the best moves as they happen before the market even opens? So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and I will talk to you motherfuckers later on. Peace in the following.